How to post anonymously on Facebook group iPhone. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, you want to go ahead and open Facebook on your phone. Then what you want to do is go to the menu that is on the bottom right corner. After that, tap on groups, that is in the right hand side corner, and here select any of the group where you want to post anonymously, and you can directly post anonymously from here by tapping on anonymous post or tap on write something. Go ahead and tap on it. To write post anonymously, what you want to do is in the top you can see post anonymously. You have to turn on that toggle button. By doing that, it will not include your username or profile photo. You will remain anonymous to everyone. You can write something here, or you can add emojis, photos, or location. After that, you want to go ahead and tap on post, that is on the top right corner. And the post that you have just posted will be anonymous to the group members. And that is how you can post anonymously on Facebook group iPhone. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.